I chose hospitality because I've always been interested in cooking. I do a lot of cooking at home with my mum, and we just do a lot of baking as well. And I chose it to further my skills in cutting and learning new techniques on how to cook new foods and stuff.
I chose hospitality to further my skills in cooking. I've always enjoyed cooking, so I thought, why not give it a crack and see how it goes and where it takes me.
I didn't really know how to cut there's new techniques to cut carrot or celery and stuff. There's different kind of ways of how to do it.
Specific skills in how to cut things and how to cook them specifically and at safe temperatures. And
if I going out working into cafes, I know how to do certain things now, which is good.
I think I'd be able to use them in life generally, and if I wanted to go into the hospitality industry.